Today we're making pescado al mojo de ajo on the Blackstone Griddle. Mira, que chulada. Hey, what's up friends? Welcome to Arnie a la plancha. This is one of my all-time favorite dishes of seafood because it's so simple and delicious. All we need for this recipe is oil, seasoning, and flour and some fish, some diced up veggies, and the two must-have ingredients, some olives, and a lot of garlic. This is where that signature flavor and name comes from. So let's get this plancha fired up and start cooking. Vámonos! I've got a big fillet here of halibut. This is our favorite fish to fry or cook here at the house. I have 10 garlic cloves. That is the key ingredient in this recipe. I have 2 olives. Those are for a little extra flavor in the little sauce we're gonna make. I have half a tomato. I'm gonna use about a quarter of a yellow bell pepper, about a quarter of a red bell pepper, and a little bit of onion, and probably a tablespoon or 2 of butter. Before we fire up the Blackstone Griddle, let's get our fish seasoned up here. I'm gonna season both sides with this essential blend. I love to get nice, even coatings on my seasoning. Flip this over. Right before we start cooking it, I'm gonna cut it in half. All right, my friends, I have my veggies all cut up. I have my olives. I have my 2 bell peppers, red and yellow, a little bit of tomato, a little bit of onion, and 10 garlic cloves. I'm going to go ahead and slice this fish into 2 fillets. It already has a natural slit right down the middle. I'm gonna dredge these fish fillets in the flour here. And you don't have to get it really caked on. Pretty much just a little light dusting is all you need. I already fired up my Blackstone Griddle. I have 3 of the burners going at low. Let's get going here. We're ready to make some pescado al mojo de ajo. Let's get our fish on first. So we're gonna get a little bit of oil going here. And I'm just gonna lay down both of these fillets here. One's right here and one is right here. They don't take very long to cook at all. I'm gonna lay a little bit more olive oil on here. I'm gonna put a little bit here on top. We can give these just a little flippity flip here in just a minute. And so I'm going to put my veggies over here where I have a lower temperature setting. That's one of the beauties of the Blackstone. I have 4 burners here. This one's completely off. It's gonna be like my little warming station. This is my low and slow cook. This is my medium hot cook right now. All right, we're gonna flip these real quick. Doesn't take long for fish to get done, friends. While we're waiting for that, I'm going to drop a little bit of butter on here. There is a little bit of tilt on my plancha, so the butter's gonna work its way down right under and around the fish. I love that. This is about a tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna drop that over here with this oil. So now we're gonna go ahead and drop our garlic right here. Ooh, look at that. Now we're gonna incorporate it all together, but first, we're gonna get all of this over here. All right, we're gonna let that halibut continue to cook. It doesn't take long. It only takes about 5 minutes total. So let's spread this buttery garlic around right here. Let's spread these out a little bit. Let these cook some. I'm gonna turn this around, flip it one more time. And you can see right there, I think the camera might pick that up. It's just about done. Look at that, beautiful. It doesn't take long for these veggies to get done either. It's really a fast cook. And it's really delicious. This halibut is pretty much done. I'm gonna flip it one more time and we're ready to plate the halibut. I'm gonna move it over here to this other side where I don't have any heat at all. Our garlic is done. I have turned off the heat over here because it's all mixed up and done. The other thing that I have ready to go here is a little bit of salsa. This is tomatoes, onions, garlic, and 1 serrano. Mix it all up. All right, friends, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this garlic sauce, put it on the bottom here. Remember, this is al mojo de ajo, so we wanna get our filet right on top of there. In this case, we're gonna do 2 fillets. And then the rest of the garlic and veggies right there on top. All right, my friends, our pescado al mojo de ajo is ready for the taste test, my favorite part. And I like lemon with my fish, so I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon on here. We usually serve it with a little side salad, just like that, real simple, just lettuce and tomato, nothing too complicated. White rice with a little bit of veggies, gonna be delicious. I'm ready. Oh man, that fish looks so good. Man, look at that, beautiful. Let's give it a taste test. That halibut, a lot of garlic, a little bit of that lemon, and then the bell pepper and the olives, delicious. It's just so flavorful. The seasoning on the fish just shines through too. The fish is always has a really good flavor. It's never dry. Halibut is just, it's my favorite fish. Friends, if you've never tried al mojo de ajo, you should try it. It's a super delicious recipe. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Make sure you share it with your friends and your family. Thanks for watching. Keep the smoke light. Make it work. Boom.